Hi, Chic Babes, and how are you doing on this beautiful, beautiful what Monday? So I went shopping yesterday, had a little brunch, and went shopping at Lululemon. Lululemon, yes, and y'all know, I hit that gym. I hit the gym. Now they had a lot of nice things. Now I didn't get any pants this time. I didn't get a shirt this time. But y'all know I stay hydrated. So let's turn it this way. Yes. I love it. I love it. I had to get this. I had to get this. I love it. Okay, and this was $44. And I am going to keep this bag. I like keeping my bags like this, especially with a very exclusive designer. Okay. Yeah, so, and I really love these bags. So you can use this as a purse. Well, as a tote. You can use this as a tote. I can use this as a tote. And I think I will. That's if Miss Coco don't get her hands to it. Okay, so let's see. Y'all know I love my pink. Did y'all watch my last video? Pink. I love everything pink. Okay, so I got more pink. So I just had to get this. I had to get this. So let's see. Yeah, okay, so this is a 24-ounce tumbler. Okay. So you can put anything in it. You could put in, okay, so let me show you how it works, y'all. Okay, it has the straw. It has the straw. I love it. Drink that good old water, or drink that good juice, or drink that good smoothie. Oh yes, y'all, I went to the gym yesterday and I did a very good workout as usual. And y'all know what? I am going to, y'all stay tuned. I am going to be doing a video today on my collection of shapewear. Yes, and I have on a piece right now. And you all, let me tell y'all something. This particular piece used to be tight. It is so loose. I kid you not. I kid you not. I kid you not. It is loose. It is very loose. So I'm losing. I am losing. And you know what? When you're working out, you may not be losing. You're going to lose weight somewhere. It may not be in the direct spot that you want to lose weight in at that time. But one thing about weight loss, that fat is going to come off wherever it chooses to. Okay, not where you want it to come off. Not that it's not going to, but I could be losing weight in my darn fingers. I could be losing weight in my toes, even though I want to lose the waist. But anyway, I'm slimming all the way down. I'm slimming everywhere, even in my back, because I do a lot of weights. I do a lot of weights as well. I do both. I do cardio, weights, and I sure enough get in that water. I get that water in, y'all. I love my water. Okay, and I love this. I love it, y'all. Okay, let's see what it says in here. Okay, tumbler care, deep cleaning, soak the ring in water and vinegar. So always when you buy something new, you should always wash it first before you use it. Okay, that's all. Okay. And it says, of course, ensure that all parts are thoroughly dry before reassembling. Okay. Y'all know Coco want to get her hands on that paper. Yes, so, and it is a nice size, yes. So I'm going to be enjoying this. I don't think I'm gonna put anything hot in it. No, I'm not. Only cold because I might have some burnt ass lips. We don't want that. We don't want that. So let's match mine. I want to make sure y'all can see it. It's matching my pink nails, y'all. I'm going to get my nails done and my toes done, y'all, on Friday. Payday, baby. Yes. So, I thank y'all for tuning in to my video of Lululemon. And y'all tell me what have y'all purchased. Have y'all been to Lululemon yet? If not, y'all need to check them out. Y'all need to check them out. Very popular, very popular. Okay, so thank y'all for tuning in to my channel. Y'all please like, share, subscribe, and hit that notification button so you'll be notified when I'm dropping new videos by Chic Babes, Luxe Babes, and my fur babies.